Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth while others struggle financially their whole lives? Could it be more than just luck or circumstance? Welcome to the intriguing world of mindsets and their profound impact on our lives. The concept of mindset isn't just a buzzword. It's a tangible force that shapes our attitudes, decisions, and actions. When it comes to financial success, the mindset is the compass that guides us towards or away from prosperity. Think of your mindset as a lens through which you view the world. If the lens is clouded with negativity, doubt, and fear, your perception of money and success will be distorted. However, if the lens is clear, radiating positivity and confidence, you'll see opportunities where others see obstacles. The way we think about money, success, and ourselves plays a crucial role in our financial status. It's not just about the size of your bank account. It's about the richness of your thoughts. The difference between the rich and the poor might just be a matter of mindset. Let's dive into a tale of two individuals, John and Mike, who come from similar backgrounds but end up with vastly different financial outcomes. John and Mike are two friends who grew up in the same neighborhood, attended the same school, and even the same college. However, their financial paths diverged dramatically over time. The reason? Their mindsets. John, armed with a rich mindset, saw money not as an end, but a means to an end. He believed in the power of investing, the value of continuous learning, and the necessity of taking calculated risks. He wasn't afraid to step outside of his comfort zone, to make his money work for him, and to invest in his own growth and knowledge. John understood that to grow wealth, he needed to think long-term, to save and invest wisely, and to not be swayed by immediate gratification. On the other side of the coin, there was Mike. Mike had what we can call a poor mindset. He saw money as something to be spent on immediate pleasures and avoided risks at all costs. He lived for the moment, often spending his entire paycheck on things that brought him temporary happiness, but did not contribute to his long-term financial well-being. Mike was hesitant to learn about investments, thinking they were too risky and complex, and he was content with his steady paycheck, even if it meant living from one payday to the next. Over time, the effects of their differing mindsets became apparent. John, with his rich mindset, saw his wealth grow. He was able to build a financially secure future for himself and his family, all the while continuing to invest and grow his wealth. Meanwhile, Mike, shackled by his poor mindset, found himself stuck in the same financial rut year after year. He was living paycheck to paycheck with no financial security or growth in sight. While John's wealth grows over time, Mike finds himself stuck in the same financial rut. Their stories demonstrate how our mindset can shape our financial destiny. So, what are the key differences between a rich mindset and a poor mindset? Let's dive into it. Firstly, people with a rich mindset understand the power of investment. They're not just saving, they're actively growing their wealth. They see money not just as a means to buy things, but as a tool to earn more money. On the other hand, those with a poor mindset often view money as something to be spent immediately or saved for a rainy day, missing out on the potential growth it could offer. Secondly, lifelong learning is a hallmark of the rich mindset. They continuously seek knowledge and skills that can enhance their financial acumen and open new doors of opportunity. They're not afraid to spend time and resources on education because they understand it's an investment in themselves. Conversely, those with a poor mindset might see education as a one-time event, something you finish in your early years and then move on from. Lastly, a rich mindset embraces risk. They understand that without risk, there's little reward. They're willing to step out of their comfort zone and take calculated risks to achieve their financial goals. In contrast, those with a poor mindset often avoid risk, preferring the safety of the known, even if it means missing out on potential gains. Remember, your mindset is a powerful tool that can either propel you towards financial success or keep you trapped in financial stagnation. So choose wisely. So, how can you cultivate a rich mindset and set yourself on the path to financial success? Start with educating yourself. Pick up financial literacy books. Invest your time and resources wisely. Remember that every decision can lead to growth. Embrace a growth mindset. See challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles. Keep pushing your boundaries and remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Wealth is not just about how much money you have, it's about how you think. Change your mindset, change your life.